I've got this super comfy pair of shoes, but the sole is coming off. Don't you hate it when that happens? Let's fix it. Now, you're gonna need a couple of things. You need some glue. The kind of glue does not matter so much as what it is used for. You want something that's going to be useful for a whole bunch of different stuff. Also, it needs to be waterproof and doesn't need to be clear drying, but I like it if it is. You're gonna need some clamps. So let's do this. I'm gonna go under here and apply generous amount of glue, and then clamp this bad boy. Might need more clamps, but this is how many I have. And then you let it sit for a while. All right, it's been about a day. And now let's take these clamps off. And look at that. The sole is now fully glued to the shoe, and it's good for some more use. All right, this is a short and sweet episode of Make, Mend, Grow with Diana, focusing on mending some shoes. If you got value from this video and you want to see more content like it, please hit that bell icon and turn on notifications. Also, if you like or comment on this video, it really helps out the channel. Have a good one. I'll see you next time on Make, Mend, Grow with Diana. Bye now.